Hi, in this video we will learn about projectiles. Suppose you are standing on top of a train that is moving with constant speed. If you throw a ball vertically upwards, will you catch the ball again or will the ball falls backwards? Let us know many more interesting things about projectile in this video. I am Mallikarjun from Hyderabad, India. Welcome to my channel Elite Academy. Consider a man standing on top of a moving train. Let the train is moving in a straight line with constant speed. If the person throws a ball vertically upwards, actually the ball follows parabolic path because the ball possesses the horizontal component equals to velocity of the train. So, for an observer standing on the ground, the ball follows parabolic path and the train moves in the forward direction. Therefore, the person again catches the ball. But for an observer standing on top of the train, the ball appears to be going vertically upwards and falling vertically downwards. The ball always appears above his head. So for him, he thinks that ball is going up and coming down. Let us find the formulas for the parabolic path. Consider an object thrown with velocity u making an angle theta with the horizontal. So the ball follows parabolic path. The maximum horizontal displacement of the body is called range, horizontal range, and it is denoted by r. The maximum vertical displacement of the projectile is called maximum height and it is denoted by capital H. R is the maximum horizontal displacement and H is the maximum vertical displacement. Let us find the formulas for horizontal range. The horizontal range is given by R is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. The time for which the ball remains in air is called time of flight. Time of flight is given by t is equal to 2u sine theta upon g. This much of time the projectile remains in air. The maximum height of the projectile is given by h is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g. The range r is maximum when angle of projection theta is equal to 45 degrees and maximum range is given by r max is equal to u square by g. So you get range maximum when theta is 45 degrees. This is the first point. The next important point is the range is same for complementary angles of projection. Complementary angles means theta and 90 minus theta. They are called complementary angles of projection. So if you throw a ball making an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal, the range will be maximum. That is, range is maximum denoted by R max. This is the maximum horizontal displacement. On the other hand, if you throw a ball at 30 degrees and also at 60 degrees, then in each case the horizontal displacement of the projectile is same. That is, range is same for 30 degrees projection and 60 degrees projection because 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary angles of projection. That is, sum of angles 90 degrees. Therefore, the range is same in each case. Let us consider a fighter plane moving horizontally with velocity u from height h, and it is dropping a bomb on a target. So it should drop the bomb well before the target. Suppose if the target is here, this is the target, then the plane should release the bomb way ahead of the target, because when it releases the bomb will not fall vertically downwards because the plane is moving horizontally with velocity u. Therefore, even though the plane drops the the bomb follows parabolic path and finally it hits the target. In this way, target is hit. Let the plane is flying at height h from the ground. This is vertical displacement of the projectile or the bomb, we can say. Let the target is at a distance of r. The horizontal displacement is r. Let the plane is moving with velocity u in horizontal direction. Then the height of the plane h is equal to half gt square, which implies t is equal to root upon 2h by g. This is the time taken by the bomb to fall on the target, and r is equal to u into t. So you get u into root upon 2h by g. So this is the horizontal displacement r. These are the formulae for h and r. For classroom classes and online coaching, you can contact me. My mail id is eliteacademyhyd@gmail.com. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.